Hello YouTube. Okay, so yesterday I was in the middle of my GTA 5, just, doing this hard mission, and then out of nowhere, Xbox just stops. Turns off, doesn't turn back on. Yes, I know it's unplugged, so I don't know why I did that, but, So my GTA 5 is inside it. And, I don't want it to break when I go to GameStop to see what the hell is wrong with it, so I was just going to show anyone else that has a problem with their disk drive, like it can't open, just to show you how to open it. So first, you just want to pop it up. Well, I use both my hands here. You just want to, grab whatever of it. I use one hand because I have the iPhone 5S in the other one. There you go. And you'll see this. And then, okay, this is the tricky part. About a centimeter to the right of this, like right around here. If you have to get a flashlight and go right around down here. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but you'll see like a little band thing. It's like a circle, and well, not like a circle, but like it spins so you can open it. And so you have to get, something like this. This is, I don't know, I have my ears pierced. And what you want to do is you want to place it in there, and then make sure I'm going in the right spot. Get my flashlight. Okay, just place it in there, and then it's gonna turn it. And also to open, and then you just force it open. And there's my GTA. That hopefully it's not broken, because I haven't opened it yet since this. Alright, it's still good. Alright, so see ya.